This isn't your average Anthropologie. This is one of the biggest in the world. Located in Pennsylvania, it's so much more than your classic store. It's called Devon Yard, and it's sort of like an Anthropologie mall. There's Terrain, a really chic plant store on the grounds, as well as a cafe, a restaurant, and a design center. Before you dismiss it as a larger-than-life anthro, take a closer look. This is the massive design center. They have an entire bedroom marketplace. And everything you need to design your living room. You can even custom design their couches your way. And if you love their classic candle section, you're going to lose it over this one. I mean, look at it. They have it all. And while you're there, you've got to hit up Terrain. Their stylists will help you create planters of your dreams. There's even the Terrain garden where you can get married. Yes, you can have your wedding at this Anthropologie dream world. And if all of this excitement makes you hungry, you have options. There's the Terrain Cafe, which opens at 11, and a Miss Trattoria, which opens for dinner at 4. Design your dream room, planter, and eat all in one Anthropologie trip? Yup, this is heaven.